This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play my blood on drums. We'll begin by establishing the core rhythm. Focus on a straightforward rock beat, utilizing your hi-hat, snare, and bass drum. Aim for a steady tempo of approximately 120 beats per minute. Mastering this foundational groove is crucial before we introduce any more intricate elements. Consistent practice of this basic pattern will build a strong base for the entire song, making the rest much easier to learn. Moving into the verse, the drum pattern maintains a steady, driving feel. You'll want to keep a consistent eighth note rhythm on your hi-hat, providing that continuous energy. For the bass drum, hit it on the first and third beats, giving the section a strong, grounded pulse. Then, on the second and fourth beats, strike your snare drum firmly to complete the classic backbeat. This combination creates the signature rhythmic foundation for the verse sections. Now, let's elevate the energy for the chorus. Here, you'll transition from the hi-hat to the ride cymbal, opening up the sound and adding a more expansive feel. For the bass drum, play a powerful pattern on all 4 beats of the measure, really driving the rhythm forward. And of course, hit that snare drum with conviction on the second and fourth beats to provide maximum impact. This dynamic shift makes the chorus truly stand out. Finally, we'll explore the bridge and outro sections. The bridge typically offers a more open and less dense drumming approach, allowing other instruments to shine. This is a great opportunity to incorporate some simple, tasteful tom fills, adding texture and rhythmic interest without overplaying. For the outro, you can either return to the main, driving groove we established earlier, or choose to fade out gently with a simple, repeating beat. Experiment to find what feels best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.